We're going to quickly go over some of the scenarios that we have in place, and these scenarios are going to be common questions and common concerns that we see that appear when creating roles and customizations. Our first one that we have is going to be, how do you set up an individual to only see select fields or menus? You can do this by selecting Manage Roles. You can select a role. In this case, we'll go ahead and choose Manager. From Manager, you're going to want to select the modules that are currently able to be viewed. Right now, this particular manager has access to process the payroll and the employee management. If you're wishing to configure what exactly is in the employee management area that you want to use, you are able to press the Configure button. And then once that loads up, it provides you with some option details. For example, if this manager can see every info for an employee except for rates, you'll want to go to Paycheck, Pay Rates and Salaries. And in this drop-down, you can actually see all the individual items that would belong with a pay rate and salary. For this particular instance, we were going to do the view at the main level, which would just be right here in the subsection of Pay Rates and Salaries. You're going to want to press Edit, and you're going to deselect the visibility for this manager. Once you update this manager user, whoever it might be assigned to, it's going to be blocked from being able to see pay rates and salaries. However, everything else within this field, they will be able to see. So if, for example, with paychecks and paycheck history, oftentimes there is going to be an hourly rate associated to that. So the manager or whoever else is assigning this role to this particular user is going to want to be mindful on if they need to block these areas as well. If so, you would go ahead and follow the same user script by blocking the pay rates and salaries and the paycheck history and updating it.